As always, I'm gonna have grams on the recipe underneath the video for you, okay? Here I have 2 3/4 cups of flour. I have 2 tablespoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is a great way to make pancakes for a big crowd and not be standing at the stove. In this bowl I have 2 1/2 cups of milk. I'm going to add a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, 2 eggs, I have 8 tablespoons of melted butter that's cooled down here. That's 1 stick, by the way. All right, now I'm just gonna add the dry ingredients. If you haven't subscribed, guys, this would be a great time to do so, and I really appreciate it. Thank you. We have a little bit of lumps, and that's okay. Now we're going to spray our baking sheet. You know, you can use butter if you want. Spread this well and evenly, okay? You can add anything you want to this for fruit or for toppings or nothing. If you want to just leave it like this and, you know, eat it with maple syrup and butter, that's fine. I'm gonna do blueberries and chocolate chips today, but you can do strawberries, you can do, oh my gosh, whatever you want, peaches, thin slices of pears, you know, even apples. All right, so I'm gonna do half chocolate chip, half blueberry. This is gonna go into a preheated oven that is heating at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. It's gonna be in there between 15 and 20 minutes, okay? Oh my gosh, look at this, 20 minutes. Oh wow, it smells really good. Corner here. I put a little butter on top and a little maple syrup. This is good stuff, guys. So easy, and everybody can eat at the same time. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you guys soon.